What are we talking about?
Like that. It goes
No idea.
What are we talking about? Tell me again. What are we talking about?
So that air pops and I saw something go out there. And someone go out there and someone leaves the fridge open. And someone go in there and no one stepped in the house. So I see a giant feet go like this.
Someone
And
left the fridge open?
Go like this.
Someone left the fridge open and had a giant foot?
Yeah, and someone...
You slapped him in the face?
Yeah, so he was angry.
He was angry? Why was he angry?
Because I said, hey, you gonna leave the fridge open.
You told him not to leave the fridge open? Who was it?
And then said, oh, I was about to go under it. Oh, no.
What was he eating?
It was in a popsicle. And he bumped him and who is in a popsicle?
Who was it?
I don't know.
You don't know who it was? He came in our house and you don't know?
No, someone danced in their house. They go out there and then so I shut the door. And I said, who's that? And I bent down and rolled asleep right there on the home. And I said, that's very good.
And then he stomped his foot? Or you stomped your foot?
No. He stopped me 2 foot like this. Like that,
You did or he did?
he did.
Why?
Because someone walked in the kitchen and then someone he run.
He ran?
No. Like someone can't leave the fridge open. Like someone shut the door. Someone broke his eyeball and said, eyeball, don't poke my eyeball.
Now you got poked in the eye?
Yeah.
Who poked him in the eye?
It was me.
You poked him in the eye?
And I slumped him with that flame and I go
You poked him in the eye?
like that.
And you slapped him?
Yeah, I go like this. I pull my hand around my neck and I go around the floor.
Whoa.
And I just crush him and go. I'm sobbing and I ducked. That's all I do.
When did this happen?
That's all you do.
Yeah.
When did this happen?
Someone takes you and says, someone did my drink. Someone did my drink.
Might take your drink.
No. That is your drink. There's a someone sticking the finger around you and slapped him in. I put my hand around them.
You stomped him?
I stomped him in the chest. And
You stomped him in the chest?
Cut his neck.
And you cut his neck?
And I stick his that hurt his chest. I put wiggly worm in it and that tickled.
You
Who?
put a wiggly worm in it?
You put a wiggly
Okay, I'm done.
You put a wiggly worm in it. You cut his neck and put a wiggly worm in his neck?
Yeah, so shut that door.
Whoa.
Shut that door.
Who was this?
I don't know.
We don't know? Huh.
Dad, shut that door.
Okay, buddy.